People say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but I disagree. It is lunch for me. So here are two no microwave lunch ideas that are delicious. You can use these lunch ideas for work or anywhere you want to take lunch on the go. For the recipes, we are making a chickpea salad sandwich and green goddess chopped salad. They're both perfect for adding to a weekly meal prep routine and giving your packed lunches a little revamp. For the chickpea salad sandwich, we need chickpeas, dill, vegan mayo, carrots, garlic, lemon, and bread. For the green goddess chopped salad, we need cucumber, edamame, tofu, parsley, cabbage, basil, green onion, and we will share dill and garlic from the chickpea salad sandwich. I'm also going to get some chips to have on the side. I ordered everything I need for these recipes through Instacart. So now we can get right into preparing these recipes. We're going to mash up a can of chickpeas with vegan mayo, salt, and lemon juice until it is broken down. We still want there to be some texture, but we want it to be mashed. Then we're going to chop up carrots. We're going to chop up some fresh dill and some garlic. I like all the flavors and texture that this adds to our chickpea salad. We're going to mix together, and then of course you're going to give this another taste and see how you feel about it, and you could add in more salt, more lemon juice, however much you like to your preference. You can eat this right away or keep it in the fridge until you're ready to use. For packing it for lunch, I would recommend packing the chickpea salad separate in a little container. Bring your favorite bread of choice and then you can assemble, or you can just make the sandwich ahead of time and pack it all up in some parchment paper and bring it with you. It is so delicious. The flavors are so good. I love the creaminess of the chickpeas and the crunch of the carrots, and it's so perfect on your favorite bread. Next up, we're going to be making a green goddess chopped salad. First, we'll make our green goddess dressing. We need extra firm tofu, garlic, basil, dill, parsley, salt, and water. And then you're just going to let the blender do its job and mix this up until it is nice and creamy. You can, of course, give it a taste and add in more salt. Then I have some frozen edamame. All you need to do is pour hot water over them and set it to the side. It'll thaw out. I'm going to work on chopping up my cabbage. I have half a head of cabbage here. I'm cutting off the bottom, and then I'm going to slice it, and then I will cut it the other way, and we will chop it up. I'm also going to chop up an English cucumber. You could also use the smaller Persian cucumbers. I just prefer these cucumbers better. And we're just going to chop it up into little tiny pieces. And the last thing is some green onion. This will add nice zest and flavor. Then we're going to add in those thawed edamame, and we will add the dressing. I like to add half of the dressing and then mix and add the rest of the half of the dressing. It just allows me to really ensure everything in our salad gets coated super nicely. And then we can just package this up, bring as much as you want. And I like to enjoy this with chips. So pack up some of your favorite chips, keep them on the side, and then you can dip them right in there and scoop it up. So perfect and really filling and high in protein. And there you have it. Two easy and delicious no microwave lunches that are packed with flavor and love. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with more recipes.